guys, welcome back to another video. Beatrice here with Alright, so today I'm gonna do a new recipe that I saw from Laura in the kitchen. And it's going to be pizza. But for those that can I help you?
Hey, it's a pizza.
Our gymnast.
Oh. For those that try to watch your figure, but you have that midweek pizza craving,
Day.
I will show you how to do it. Okay? Ready? Alright, so we're gonna need
Zucchini.
and then you're gonna need a bowl, like to put it in the microwave, right? I'm gonna put sausage in mine. Or not sausage. Hoy no más.
This is the kind of
Ground beef.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say grounded.
I'm gonna put ground beef.
Where's my grounded?
Go ahead and add it on the pot, please. Here you go. Just add it like that. Pues te quemaste. Por mensa. We're gonna add marinara sauce to the bowl. I'm gonna add this one. Just a little bit. So that it's not so dry. Whoa! Stop playing.
I'm not playing, baby. No.
You dropped it. You're
Kids trying to cook.
Burn. You can't blame me. I was trying to help her. You standing there laughing at me.
Alright, so I'm gonna put this in for about 10 minutes
You advice
because I don't want them fully cooked because they're gonna go back in it anyway. I'm gonna put it at 410 degrees. Later on, I'm gonna do these. Ooh. Alright, let's get started with my meat. Alrighty, so my zucchinis have been in the oven for about 10 minutes. And now they're over here. Let me move you a little bit because you guys are like crooked. Okay. We're gonna add pepperoni. Sorry, let me move you guys a little bit. Right there. Okay, we're gonna add, in the middle, we're gonna add some of this. Why are you drinking my water? What? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna add maybe like 2 tablespoons. Let me get my daughter to record what I'm doing because I feel like I'm doing this. Angela, can you come record? And then we're gonna add some beef.
You got some beef, Mom?
Yeah, with you. I was gonna be like,
Mom, can you hit the well? It was like, what, Bana? Do it again. That's not bad looking.
we're gonna add some queso.
Not sponsored.
I knew you were gonna say that. But if they sponsor us, mozzarella.
Look at me, it's hot in here.
Oh, it's just me. You know,
I said it's not just me. It's hot in
it's
here.
just me.
Oh, thank you. So that replies it's just me to me. This is one. What happened right there?
What happened with what?
Right there.
With some
There's
sauce.
There's some extra sauce.
Because you know you can add extra sauce. Not sponsor.
How do you know I was gonna say that? I know I was supposed to say that.
Alright, so I was trying to get the mini pepperonis, but I couldn't find them. So if you guys do find them, that'll be awesome. But gotta work with what we got, right?
Zoodles.
Pizzuros. Pizzini. There you go.
Guys, we just made a new thing.
Pizzini. Alright guys, they're gonna go in the oven for about 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Talk to you when they come back. Okay, so my pizzas are done. Or, ¿cómo dijimos que se llamaba, Fusi? Pizzini. Pizzini. Let's give it a test. It's gonna be super hot. Caution. Guess for what? Oh, wait, hold on. My husband's gonna be a test. Déjame cortar porque ya está caliente. Please, no, don't judge. Está caliente. Se llama pizzini porque es una pizza pero en zucchini, so pizzini.
Guys, go back to #pizzini. Whatever you said.
Husband approved. You heard it here, folks. If you try it, make sure you
Give you credit.
you comment down below or follow us on Insta, BHS Family Style. Peace.
Give you credit.